Hi friends, welcome to the channel Dinesh. There is an happy news. AIMS Delhi has conducting a new recruitment. There is a huge vacancy for all AIMS. So AIMS Delhi is conducting recruitment for all AIMS. There is a vacancy of 3,803. The total post vacancy is 3,803 posts. So this is once in a life opportunity. Don't miss it, and it is a best opportunity. Prepare for it. The application will start from tomorrow onwards, that is 6th August 2020, and the last date of application is August 18th 2020. That is, you will get 12 days for applications. Application mode is only online mode. So you can apply through aimsexams.org website, that is AIMS Delhi website. So you can apply through online. And the application fee is for general and OBC candidates 1,500 rupees. For general and OBC candidates, it is 1,500 rupees. For SC/ST candidates, it is 1,200 rupees. For SC/ST, 1,200 rupees. For physical disability candidates, it will be nil. There is no application fee for physical disability candidate. So that is application fee. Then the qualification for recruitment. First one is for BSc nursing. For BSc nursing candidates, there is no need for experience. BSc and post BSc candidates, there is no need for experience. For GNM candidates, 2 years experience in minimum 50 bedded hospital. For GNM candidates, experience is required, that is 2 years experience in minimum 50 bedded hospitals. And there is a doubt, actually for BSc candidates, they have to get registration certificate before the last date of application, that is 18th August. So candidates need to get a valid registration certificate, then only they can apply. The mode of examination online, I already told, that is computer based test. It will be 3-hour exams. Duration is 3 hours, and there is 200 questions and 200 marks. 3 hours 3-hour duration exam. 200 questions, each question carrying 1 mark. For wrong answers, there is a negative mark, that is 1/3 of the 1/3 of the correct answer will be reduced for each wrong answer, that is 0.33. That mark will be reduced for each wrong answers. So out of 200, 180 will be nursing questions and 20 questions will be general knowledge and aptitude based questions. Out of 200, 180 questions from nursing only and 20 questions from general knowledge and aptitude. So that is about the exams. And important thing is here AIMS Kalyani, that is located in West Bengal, there is a 600 vacancy, and all other AIMS has mentioned their vacancy, including Rishikesh, Raipur, Mangalagiri, all other AIMS having this vacancy. So this is your best chance, and try for it. You will get 3,803 posts. So best wishes. Thank you. I will give you a link in description box. You can go and check it and apply through that. Thank you.